What's going on, guys? It's Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. So this video is for all of you last minute procrastinators. So Father's Day is a few days away, and I thought I'd put together a few items that every dad would absolutely love. Now, keep in mind, these may not get there by Father's Day, but your dad is still gonna love getting any of these gifts. And these are things he might not necessarily purchase for himself, but would absolutely love to receive. And so I'm gonna drop links below for everything. Some of these have special links you have to click on to get the deal. Some of them I'll just link below in general. But first off, something every bearded man needs is a great comb. And probably some of my favorites are made by Kent Combs, handmade in England. And so I'll link this down below. I think this goes for 12 or 14 bucks, somewhere around there. Awesome comb, sawtooth cut. This is one of the better beard combs out there. It's not like a traditional plastic comb that could potentially snag in your beard. These are all hand individually cut and polished. Any father would love to get one of these. You can use it for your beard as well as your hair. Now, a few other items here. Beard swag from your favorite company. So you can see I've got on a Live Bearded hat here. I've also got on a Live Bearded Do Better shirt. So beard swag from your favorite company. I've got a code for Live Bearded we'll put down below. It's NOBS10, pretty easy to remember. Another great company putting out some great gear and hats is Fresh Beards. Picked this hat up recently. Absolutely love that. They got like the flat brim. They've also got some more of your traditional curved hats, which I think are called dad hats nowadays. Apparently, who knew? But get your dad some beard gear. I even think these Live Bearded Do Better shirts are on sale. Like this is only like 20 bucks nowadays. You factor in that 10% off, it's like 18 bucks for an awesome, comfortable shirt. And so, speaking of Live Bearded, let's talk about some of their products. They actually have a really cool Father's Day deal going on right now. It actually comes in this really cool dob kit. And so this goes for $70. It's going to include a dob kit. It also includes a large water bottle. I don't actually have that, but it's a large water bottle with a Live Bearded logo. It comes with a custom Live Bearded sticker. You can't buy them anywhere. Really cool. It's kind of that, well, I'll actually show you the look of it. But in the dob kit here, you're getting an 8-ounce beard wash. I love this executive scent. This is a great scent. It's cedar, leather, and vanilla. It comes out to be a really nice cologne scent, but you got your 8-ounce beard and body wash. They throw in a 1-ounce beard oil, as well as a 4-ounce container of their beard butter. And then finally, you are gonna get a Live Bearded wood comb. These are great combs. I've got like 2 or 3 of these now stashed in my computer bag, in my truck, all over the place. But look how cool this bag is, the inside of that bag. You got the Live Bearded logo in there. You got it on the outside of the bag. Nice zippered pocket out here. I use this when I travel. This is the perfect bag. So all of that goes for 70 bucks. It's normally, I think, 110. And so they got that on sale for $70. It's about 35% off. Use that same No BS 10 code. It's gonna get you 10% off of that. Drops this entire package down to $63. That's an amazing deal for everything you're getting there. And so let's talk about a few non-beard products. You know, maybe we wanna back away from beard products for a minute. One of my favorite shirts out there is made by a company called Cricket Shirts. They're based out of Austin, Texas. And I'll show you their logo there real quick. What's unique about these shirts, these are based off of like the old 70s style golf shirts. They've got like kind of that longer placket and just looks a little bit different, a little bit kind of cool and retro compared to, you know, today's polo shirts that are all kind of cookie cutter. And so another thing, they have this left chest pocket. I actually picked up, how cool is that? They did a limited edition Willie Nelson run. And so you got the Willie Nelson silhouette there on the pocket. But just they've got some overall cool styles, lots of different colors, lots of stripe options, you name it. But go check them out. cricketshirts.com. Again, I'll link them down below. I think these are 20% off through Sunday. And so I can just go to their website and they've got the discount code somewhere there on the site. But awesome, awesome shirts. Now, another company based down in Austin, Texas, another probably something I use every day, and my whole family, I mean, we love these things, are Yeti water bottles. And so these things are super tough, can take a beating. This is a 36-ounce bottle, I believe. I fill this thing up about 4 times a day to get my gallon plus of water in. But perfect for a sticker. Okay, I got that limited edition Live Bearded sticker. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw I put the sticker on earlier this week. Absolutely love this. Live Beard is actually shipping these out on all orders this month, and then they're gone forever. So get your chance to grab one of these super cool American flag Live Bearded stickers. Fits perfect on that Yeti bottle. But again, Yeti, it's going to take a beating. They are a little pricey, but this is something you'll have forever, assuming you don't lose it. But got the pop straw top. Absolutely love this water bottle. Now my final non-beard related product, here we go. You saw me do a video on them earlier this week. That is Anson Belts. And so Anson Belts makes this really unique belt in which there are no holes on the end of that belt. You simply just slide it through. There's a tracking system on the back there. And so these belts will fit waist up to 50 inches, all the way down, I think, to 14 inches. So you custom cut them to your desired length. And then you just slide it through. And they've got multiple buckle options. Very easy to unlock. Now what's really cool about these is you buy different buckles as well as different straps, and you can take them off and interchange them. So I can throw a different strap on or a different buckle, etc. And so they're actually offering a deal right now. These are normally $50 a piece. They have for a belt and a buckle. They've got a deal, buy 2, get the 3rd free. So you're getting 3 belts for $100, which is a really good deal for Anson Belts. So it's just a great way to add a little bit of flair to your wardrobe, to your outfit, etc. All right. 2 more products left. Let's jump back into our beard products. Beard Octane. If you guys haven't tried out Beard Octane yet, Joe over there is crushing it with his scent profiles. This one here is called Texas Tea. Now, any of you folks from the South, you know we love our sweet tea. This smells just like sweet tea to me. It's like a lemony sweet iced tea. Oh man, it's great. It's so refreshing and light. It's perfect for summertime. And so absolutely love that scent. Joe and Beard Octane are offering 10% off for Father's Day. Again, I'll link this below. It's 10% off for Father's Day, but you can also use No BS 10 to get an additional 10% off of that. So you can stack that to get 20% off overall. And so his combos, they're not too expensive. I forget off the top of my head how much they go for, but awesome stuff. Great balm, great oil. And then final product here we've got one of my favorite beard conditioners, Scotch Porter. And so you guys can see, I don't know if you can see the light there. I'm probably going to have to take advantage of this deal and order some more, but Scotch Porter is offering 50% off of their beard collections right now. And so it's actually a special unique link. You got to click on the link that I directly put below to take advantage of that offer. But yeah, their beard collections, I think they've got one, it's like $70 right now. It's a beard conditioner, 8 ounces, it's gonna last you a while. 8 ounces of beard wash, and then it comes with a beard butter, or it's a beard balm, but it's like a butter consistency. It's kind of like a beard lotion almost. It's good for at night. That's typically when I use it. And it also comes with a beard serum. I used to use it a ton before I had business meetings because it adds like a little shine to your beard. And so I think all of that goes for, I forget what it normally is. They have it on sale right now for $70, but you get 50% off of that. So it's only $35. And so that's a steal because typically this goes for $20. The beard wash goes for $20. That's just a great deal overall. You're definitely saving some cash on that. And so I will link all of these below. Again, this is for all you procrastinators out there. All you bearded guys, share this with your significant others. Tell them, hey, check out Matt's video here, go here. Here's all the links right there. You can order. It's not going to be here on Sunday, but it's a great IOU, Dad. So, as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. God bless you. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.